Hi friends, Rotary District 3141 is one of the premier Rotary districts around the world doing amazing work for the community. Rotary Year 2021 is a vision year with District Governor Sunil Mehra at the helm of affairs, wherein many new initiatives have been introduced to create a difference and make Rotary seen. There's a Givers Gain project to generate funds out of waste, which will be used to fund Rotary Foundation for various humanitarian projects. Under the Over is another initiative to beautify Mumbai and create utility spaces below all flyovers. Lots of efforts are also going on towards literacy, malnutrition, health, sanitation, and other verticals. Viz Talks is one more initiative, a novel concept with an ideology to support Rotarians to support Rotary. Viz Talks is also to create more bonding and proximity amongst Rotarians on personal, Rotary, and professional fronts. In these interviews, we speak to visionary Rotarians who, by virtue of the selfless work towards the community, have reached important decisive positions, and their actions today will help Rotary to serve more and make a difference to the community. I'm Dr. Manish Motwani, a bariatric surgeon, that's a weight loss surgeon by profession, and Chief Coordinator for Rotary District 3141 in the year 2021. And I'll be your host on the Viz Talks. Friends, we have a very special guest today, a Rotarian with more than 5 years of Rotary experience, a Rotarian from one of the most prestigious clubs in District 3141. Yes, friends, he is none other than Rotarian Prem Pawnikar from Rotary Club of Mumbai Andheri, a mechanical engineer by classification, specialized in power project management, having experience of 42 years in setting up thermal and hydropower projects. Let me present before you, friends, an efficient, hardworking, proactive, practical, and organized Rotarian who, with his quick-witted and impartial nature, would ensure that he would take his club to unassumable heights in the year 2021. Pleasure to present in front of you, friends, Rotarian Prem Pawnikar from Rotary Club of Mumbai Andheri.
Namaste.
Namaste, Prem. How are you, friend?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
Very fine, thank you. It's a pleasure to have you today on this talk show, the Viz Talks. And Prem, we met quite a few times during trainings and so many times during our online seminars.
Yeah.
But we know something about you from Rotary point of view because you are from Mumbai Andheri. But all of us are so keen and very much interested in knowing something more about you on your personal front, what type of a person you are and about your family. Would it be possible for you to tell us something more on that?
Okay. See, I come from a very small town, Umred, in Nagpur district. Umred is famous for coal mines. Our family business was manufacturing of handloom saris. In those days, that was a flourishing business in 50s, 60s, and middle of 70s. But later on, when power loom came up, that handloom business didn't last longer. I did my high school education in Umre, and then my engineering graduation from Nagpur, from Vishwesvaraya Regional College of Engineering. I did my mechanical engineering there. Later on, then I joined Maharashtra State Electricity Board, served there for about 32 years in various positions, and particularly for erection and commissioning of mega thermal power projects in Maharashtra state. Last phase of my service was with an US company, DLC Corporation it is, from Columbus, Ohio. Their subsidiary is here. I worked for them for setting up of small hydropower projects in Maharashtra, MP, and Himachal Pradesh.
That's lovely to know something more about you as a person and your life so far. And it's also to know something more about the work that you have been doing. Now coming to Rotary Club of Mumbai Andheri. Prem, you know that it is a very vibrant club.
Yeah.
It is a small yet Top Ka Gola. It is a club which is known for doing some lovely projects. Club which is known for good fellowship. It is also a club where there is a lot of bonding amongst members, and you have some extraordinary members in your club too. So though it is supposed to be a big club, a small club, but it is a small club with big stature members too. You have Arun with you,
Yeah.
who's the face of the club also,
Yeah.
and your club has set certain levels for themselves in the past few years, and you definitely have been given an ultimate responsibility of being the president of such a lovely club in the year 2021. As much as I know you of your experience in setting up projects, to start a year for the club also is going to be as much important as a project or a new plant that you are setting up. So it will require lots of pre-planning so that the execution is supposed to be good. And a person who is as senior and as experienced as you has definitely done a lot of planning before the year starts. You cannot just take the year as it comes. You have been planning for it and we are aware of it. Let us know about your plans for the year 2021 as the president so that you can assume bigger heights in time to come.
Yeah. First thing is that ours has been a small club. So challenge before me is that the increase in membership. As our membership is varying from 25 to 35 and not more than it has not crossed anytime 35. And because of certain things, because we lost our 2 members this year in March, because of one is because of heart attack and other is from old age. So our membership has come down a little bit, but now my task is like this. Some challenges are there, but then some opportunities also are there with me because our club has many stalwarts. Almost about 90% members are the past presidents, and they had held good position in the district in the past and this year also. That is one of the thing. Second thing is,
Tim, I would like to just stop you over here. What are you planning for membership? I have certain ideas that I can tell you. What is the purpose of this Biz talks? It is vision business talks. We want Rotarians to know about each other's businesses.
yeah,
We want Rotarians to do business with each other. And if this happens, every Rotarian will feel that there is something in it for me also. And there will be possibly good membership retention. So in your club, there is no problem with membership retention. But to attract more people in your club, I think so this type of talk show that I am doing for the district, you can do it for your club.
yeah.
Second thing that I would like to also say is, do you all have a Rotaract club?
We don't have it. We were having one, but because of something happened in the past, I'm not exactly aware, but that could not be continued. We are having Interact Club, but as my aim is that at least to add 1 or 2 Rotaract.
So if you are going to have 2 Rotaract clubs, let it be your aim for the first 3 months to make 2 Rotaract clubs.
Yeah.
As soon as you make 2 Rotaract clubs, which is not difficult, whether it's institution based or community based,
Yeah.
if you make 2 Rotaract clubs, then the next step would be, after those clubs have been formed, you ask for a membership information seminar for parents of Rotaractors. You will get minimum 10 members coming out of that.
Yeah.
So first step should be to have 2 Rotaract clubs coming up immediately within the first 3 months. It's not difficult because all the students are also lying empty at their homes. They're not doing anything, but they have their WhatsApp groups. They have their college groups. Catch hold of young children who are children of your members. Tell them कि उनके college के group में एक Rotaract club बनाना है, and then have a online seminar, membership information seminar for those parents of those Rotaractors. I'm sure that will give you at least 8 to 10 new members. So this is what I can definitely do.
That's good. That is the idea. Yes, I have got very good ideas from lots of seminars and all this year. It was a tremendous year that is ahead also, and we have been groomed for that by you people. Yeah. So
we are so happy that we have been able to do something to be of some support to you. But I would really tell you that do all your projects with all the zeal and enthusiasm. You have lots that you can do in the year to come. I'm sure that your projects are going to be great. But we would like to know something more about more projects from your end.
Yeah, see, we have to increase our presence in the community through the community projects. That is my aim. Unless we reach to the people, they won't know about us. That is one thing. That's why I'm taking this year not many community projects. That one thing is that one of the district project is there which I'm taking is the installing uh, solar street light solar plant. Okay, solar street light. We can say that in the areas in Andheri East and Parla East, where it is essential because I have surveyed that area along with the corporator over here, and we can reach to them and we can involve them in our this activity, so that they can maintain that throughout the year and years to come up. That is one thing. Second thing is that here a lot many SRA schemes are there, so we can enter that and we can organize medical camps, diabetes, eye checkup, uh, blood donation, and so on. Third thing is that very important this year is the uh, WINS project, wash and WINS. So I'm implementing 3-4 project WINS in the schools and colleges, where it is essential. I have seen because here some BMC schools are there where this facility is not there. So that also I'm reaching to them through this. And further, what I want to do is that because of my knowledge, I will reach to the societies over here to have two things. One thing is that of conservation of water through rainwater harvesting, which myself has done in my society on the terrace, because earlier the water used to get accumulated on the terrace, it was going west. So I channelized that and I have put that because we were luckily having a well. So uh, I have put all the rainwater collected in the well, so well gets charged. So there are certain things which I can reach to them, and through that I can promote Rotary. So that is one of the things that I want to do. And other is the rooftop solar panels.
This is a lovely project because one of the most important things is in Rotary that we have to use our vocation to serve Rotary, and you are doing it very effectively. So this is a great job that you're doing, and the type of projects that you have thought of are really unbelievable. And you're a small club, but you're a very effective club. And when members of your club come together, they can really achieve anything that is unachievable. So these are good projects, but I'm also sure that you are going to be participating in Annapurna. I'm also sure that you will be participating in Bhagban, because these are the projects for the year. There is a 2 million challenge to feed 2 million people in the month of July. I'm sure you're going to be a part of that event too. At the same time, please do not forget that Givers Gain is a very lovely project in which we want to provide funds to the Rotary Foundation through waste. So this is the time that you have to communicate to all your members, to speak to people in their societies and their workplace, that they should not dispose of the reusable, recyclable and refurbishable things. As July starts, we are going to start collecting all these things and ensure that we fund the foundation through waste so that more projects can happen. So these are some lovely projects that we have in our sleeve, and I'm sure that you, with your experience and your convincing capabilities, is going to ensure that every district project is taken up extremely seriously, because any project you name, we have brought 36 new projects in this year. You touch any project, we will give you the entire blueprint. Go ahead and do it, and you will find that it's going to be successful. So yes, your plans are lovely, and if you tie up with the district in a good manner, I'm sure it's going to be a win-win situation for the community and for your club too. Thank you so much, Prem, for your presence here on this talk show, the WizBiz Talks. We are so pleased to have you with us. Your presence have really made a lot of difference. You, through your good talks, has been a definite motivator, and when the remaining 101 presidents listen to you, and the Rotarians and non-Rotarians listen to you, I'm sure too many people will be even attracted, too many non-Rotarians will be attracted to come and join your club because of your ideas and your views. So many other Rotarians will feel motivated because of what you have said today. So thank you so much for all you have done, not just for your club, but for so many other clubs and other Rotarians, to motivate them and enthuse them to ensure that 2021 is going to be one of the best years for District 3141 and for Rotary. So thank you so much, Prem, for your presence. We are so happy and pleased that you have come here. Thankful to you. And I hope you enjoyed being with us on this talk show too.
Thank you. Thank you, Manish.
Thank you so much.